So it's a Minn Kota quick release. You see, you gotta have that flush with this. But the way this is designed originally, that piece is the front of the connection, and it puts the puck right there, right here, which is only about 2 inches. So to do it, your puck can't be bolted. If you look right here, there's no flat right there. So I moved the puck back, screwed 6 new holes that are opposite from the factory, and then and here there's no front. People keep saying you just got to go through the front. You can't. So use these things. I used the 3/8 one. I bought these just in case. So I use this, mounted it to the puck so you get a perfect hole. I use this to drill a big enough hole in the deck so that way this can go through. But you got to be extremely careful, because the plastics on these will break and the toggle will fall inside the hole. So then I use this to make the recess part of the puck, so the bolts can be flush mounted. And I use this stuff because it's what I had, to make a somewhat of a gasket and seal with silicone so that way it's waterproof. But see, those are the aftermarket. What I did, those are the factory ones. You got to drill new holes. But